Hello, welcome to Erica LOL Beauty and Reviews. I am Erica, and today we are going to be opening the December Boxycharm. It is normally $25 a month and usually around $27, but now they have raised the price and it is $27.99 a month for this one, and I don't know what that'll be with tax, so I'm gonna go out on a limb and say $30. So this month, the last month that it was $25, is Gifts of Glam. It's got the little card here. I got my little calculator right here so we can add everything up. And I am going to go ahead and reach in, and the first thing we have is Araceli Beauty. Bella Sponges. Araceli Beauty Sponges. Blend it out. Set the stage for seamless smooth blend. Super soft sponge duo. Uses it again and again. I'm going to go ahead and open it so I can feel it. Use it again and again effortlessly to apply your makeup and your concealer to your complexion. Bella Sponge is the answer. MSRP is $24. Okay. The next thing is Seraphine Botanicals Happy Hibiscus Palette. This incredibly soft and blendable luminizer and blush palette gives you instant color payoff and glides seamlessly to deliver healthy, lit from within. Gotta open it from the right side. Lit from within. Flush of color formulated hibiscus extract to encourage a fresher, more radiant complexion, and cornstarch and kaolin clay for silkier transition and longer lasting wear. There we go. So I guess Creamy Rose, Harvest, Golden Nude. Okay. This brown shade they're calling a Creamy Rose. Petal is a pinky color. That doesn't even look rose when it's put on. Okay. I guess I gotta keep it now. I'll give it to my mom. I'm not sure how I feel about this. It is a $48 palette, so I mean, I don't know. Golden Nude. This is a little bit darker than Golden Nude. Hold on, let me try to... I don't know. We'll have to see it on another. For $48, I think they could have done better with the colors. It's very pretty colors together. I don't think the colors are the colors they're saying except for one. Happy Hibiscus. Alright. We have Mellow, developed in Australia. I have a code with them. That's probably down below. Or I did. I don't know if anyone hasn't used it. I like their stuff. I don't know if I have this. It's Rose. I probably don't have it. It's Rose lip liner. Was it last month we got the Mellow lipstick? Or was that in Boxycharm? Like, why didn't they put them? I don't know. My brain is... If you've seen my video explaining everything that's been going on, my brain is happy to be here. Okay. Mellow Cosmetics Gel Lip Liner, $15. This is in the shade Rose. It's a lip liner. You know what lip liners do. I doubt this one's any more special than any other lip liner. It's gel. Alright, the next thing in here is Vanilla Bean Lip Mask by Wish. Wish Beauty Vanilla Bean Lip Mask with bok choy. Lips are missing moisture they crave and desire. It doesn't smell like vanilla. It didn't even feel like it was shut all the way. Oh, I should have showed you. Mask melts deep into your lips. It's a nice size jar. You get a nice amount. got a lot of heft to it. So, I mean, that's nice. Intensely moisturizes, prevents moisture loss, softens and smooths. It is $32. All right. And Algenist. That's everything. Algenist Triple Algae Eye Renewal Balm. I wanted to read about this. It is a target eye treatment with enhanced algae technology. And that's small. See, the box looks like this. And this is, there's like a lot of glass at the bottom of that. Clinically shown to help reduce dark under eye circles, bags, puffiness, lines, wrinkles, and crow's feet in just 10 days. It's formulated with Algenist's patented and exclusive algoronic acid, a blend of red, brown, and green algae that synergistically work by energizing and increasing skin's luminosity. It doesn't really smell like anything, and it is filled to the top, and it's eye cream, so it will last you a while. This is brand new to Boxy. The brand is new to Boxycharm, and this is $68 for that little bottle of eye cream. So total our box is worth $187, so you minus the $27, it's $160, which is good. It's still going to be good once it's $30 with tax, and I know everybody else just minuses the $25, but I honestly know how much comes out of my bank account, so I'm being honest with you. And what comes out of what it costs and what comes out of my bank account is a $2 difference. So it is $160 minus what actually comes out of my bank account. So that is not bad. It is a very good box. The only thing I'm not real happy with is this Happy Hibiscus, and it's mostly the color choices or the names on the colors. I'm not sure they are actually the color that you're getting. So yeah, I will see y'all in the next one. This may not even go up till the beginning of January because I have 2 videos ahead of it, and I have 1 video I still got to record. Then I'm going to go up front to record, and I'm going to hope to take my microphone. If not, I don't know. I might not even go up there and do it. I might just do it right here and talk to y'all in a minute for no apparent reason. So, love y'all. I hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next one.